In this short video, we're going to introduce what OSHA's expectations for a COVID-19 prevention program might look like. OSHA tells us the first part of your COVID-19 prevention program should be to appoint someone in the office to act as the program coordinator. OSHA divides the phases of your risk assessment into 4 stages. First, you perform the assessment by interviewing stakeholders and performing an analysis of your company's unique risk profile. This process allows you to identify those factors that pose the greatest risk to your workforce. Subsequently, you're advised to adopt measures, processes, and steps that will help mitigate these risks. And finally, implementation, which requires training your workforce and making sure that the processes you adopted are actually carried out. As you carry out your risk assessment and enhance your program accordingly, there's a framework that we recommend you follow that we call the 4 Ps. The first P is place. And this is the space that we're coming back to, whether it's an office or some other work site. It can also include shared transportation that your employees may use when they're performing company business. The second P is the people, and these are the employees, contractors, and guests, whether they're your customers or office visitors, who are sharing the space. The next P is process. There's 2 types of processes to think about. There's existing processes which you may modify, and there's new processes which you may put in place. Finally, the last P is protection. And protection refers to those tools that you have available to you, like face masks, sanitizer, and soap. Tools that, when used effectively, can also mitigate the spread of COVID-19. Thank you for watching this video on the basics of OSHA's guidance for a workplace COVID-19 prevention program.